everyone. Now, in this section, we wanted to talk about simple present tense. What is simple present tense? Simple present tense is the simplest form of the verb of the other tense type. These verbs are used to denote a daily. Simple present tense is used to express an action or event that occurred in the present. In addition, simple present tense is also used for habit or event that occurred in every day. Simple present tense is divided into type. The first is verbal sentences and the second is nominal sentences. In this slide, we can find a formula that is formula sentences. For the positive sentence, we can write by using subject plus verb 1 or verb es plus complement of subject. Complement of subject, it can be it can be adjective, adverb, or noun. For negative sentence, we can write subject plus do or doesn't plus verb 1 plus complement of subject. For the interrogative sentence, we can write do or does plus subject plus verb 1 and plus complement of subject. How to use do and does? For using do, when the subject using they, we, you, I. If wanted to use does, the subject must be she or he or it. In these slides, we can find some examples of verbal sentences. The first example is for positive sentence, they read a book. For negative sentence, they don't read a book. Why using don't? Because the subject is they. For interrogative sentence, do they read a book? The second example, she studies English. For negative sentence, she doesn't study English. Why using doesn't? Because the subject is she. For the interrogative sentence, does she study English? And now we talk about nominal sentences. What is nominal sentences? Nominal sentences is a sentence that only uses a verb in the form of to be as the main verb. And these slides, we can find some formula. For the positive sentence, we can write subject plus to be plus complement of subject. To be here, we can use am, are, or is. Using am if the subject I. Using are if the subject they, we, you. Using is if the subject she, he, it. And the second is about negative sentence. We can write using subject plus to be, that is am, is, are, plus not, plus complement of subject. And the last is to be plus subject plus complement of sentence if we wanted to write in interrogative sentence. In these slides, we can see some examples of nominal sentence. Okay, the first example is, this book is interesting. Why using is? Because the subject is book. Okay, for negative sentence, if this book is not interesting, we can using to be plus not for negative sentence. And for interrogative sentence, is this book interesting? And the second example is, they are teacher of English online. Why using are? Because the subject is they. For negative sentence, they are not teacher of English online. And for the interrogative sentence, are they teacher of English online?